What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Python on Windows. So go to your browser and type in Python. Go here to python.org, downloads, and unless you have a specific reason, like you want to run a program written in 2.7, just get the newest version. Save file, and then when it downloads, go to your folder and run as administrator. We're going to go here and add Python to our class path in Windows and install now. The reason that's important is so when we run, if we type Python, right now there's no Python program here, but if you close this window, I'll show you after we install it. Successful. Now that we have Python, we also have Python in our class path, which means that this name here returns the Python interpreter, which is what's running right now. So now that we have that set up, we can do hello world.